In this video, I am going to discuss about System Development Life Cycle, or we can say SDLC. The System Development Life Cycle framework provides a sequence of activities for system designers and developers to follow. A system development life cycle is essentially a project management. It defines different stages that are necessary to bring a project from its initial ideas or conceptions all the way to deployment and later maintenance. It consists of a set of steps or phases in which each phases of the SDLC uses the result of the previous ones. Basically, we can say that it is the development life cycle of system in which it have a framework which provide a sequence of activities for system designers and developers to follow. System development life cycle have different phases. Basically, we can say 7 phases. So first phase is planning, second phase is system analysis, third phase is system design, fourth is development, fifth is implementation, sixth is integration and testing, seventh one is operation and maintenance. By these phases, the life cycle of system is completed. In the first phase is planning phase. The purpose of this first phase is to find out the scope of the problem and determine solution, resources, cost, time, benefits, and other items should be considered here. Second phase is system analysis. The second phase is where teams consider the functional requirements of the project or solution. It also where the system analysis take place or analyzing the needs of the end users to ensure the new system can meet their expectations. And third phase is actually system design. The third phase describe in detail the necessary specifications, features, and operations that will satisfy the functional requirements of the proposed system, which will be in place. Fourth one is development. Now the real work begins. The development phase marks the end of the initial sections of the process. Additionally, this phase signifies the start of production. Fifth phase is integration and testing. In this phase, first we have to integrate, and after that the testing procedure starts. This phase involves system integration and system testing of program and procedures, normally carried out by a quality assurance professionals to determine if the proposed design meets the initial sets of business goals. In the sixth phase, there is implementations. The sixth phase is when the majority of the code for program is written and when the project is put into production by moving the data and components from the old system and placing them in the new systems. And last we have the operation and maintenance phase. The last phase is when end users can fine tune the system if they wish to boost performance, add new capabilities, or meet the additional user requirements. So in the last phase we have to maintain our system, and also we have to do the operations. So now I'm going to discuss why is SDLC important. Here are the some points which shows that SDLC is important. So first point is it provides a standardized framework that defines activities. It aids in project planning, estimating and scheduling. It makes project tracking and control easier. It provides client relations, it decreases project risk, it decreases project management expenses and the overall cost of production. So this is all about SDLC and its phases and why SDLC is important. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.